Students, how are you? Hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. I am Muhammad Rizwan Rahman. Today, I am here due to corona pandemic throughout the world. So, your regular classes were disturbed for that. So, the government and other authorities thought about the future of the students of our country. According to the Education Ministry, we are running online classes throughout the country. Today I am here to take the class of class 7 about the topics of transformation of sentences. Okay, come to the board. Here we see a sentence A. We cannot think of a day without reading newspaper. We have to transform it to interrogative sentence. First of all, we have to know what is an interrogative sentence. By which sentence we ask something, we inquire anything to anybody, that is called interrogative sentences. And we have to also know how to make an interrogative sentence, or what is the structure of interrogative sentences. Okay, we can form interrogative sentence in two ways. One way is we have to first use auxiliary verb, and another way we have to use WH word. Okay, first of all we have to see the subject, then auxiliary, then main verb. Okay, if you see auxiliary or modal verb in a sentence, in a assertive sentence, then you can first put the modal verb or auxiliary verb in the first of the sentence. So you can write first can, then subject. We have also noticed that if assertive sentence have negative meaning, then we don't use negative sense in the question sentences. Okay, this paper, and the end of the sentence you have to put interrogate mark. Now notice that first of all we have to give auxiliary. If you have any auxiliary verb in the assertive sentence, okay, then you have to use subject, then main verb, then other word of the sentences. Okay, in next sentence we see newspaper is not a separable part of our life. We have to make it affirmative, separable. We have to follow the head word of the sentence, and you have to know the opposite meaning of the head word. Then you can turn it into affirmative or negative. Okay, separable. What is the opposite word of the separable? You have to know it. Okay, this paper is, and the opposite word of separable is inseparable. You have to know it. Otherwise, you can't make it affirmative. That means you have to know the meaning of main word. Okay. In number C, we see newspaper provides us news about home and abroad. We have to make it interrogative. In this sentence, we do not see any auxiliary or any modal verb. In this sentence, we do not have any auxiliaries or any modal verbs. We have only a main verb provides. If you have main verb, you have to use the auxiliary do, does, did. When you see the main verbs in present indefinite tense, then you can put does in the first of the sentence. Doesn't, then subject. Doesn't newspaper. As you put does in the first of the sentence, then you have to write the main verb in base form. Okay. Newspapers have some newspapers have some problems. You have to make it interrogative. In this sentence, we see that there is a verb have and other words. Without have, there is no verb. So you have to make it interrogative. So as per previous rules, we can write have in the first of the sentence. Have. This sentence is in affirmative form. Then you can put are not in contracted form in the first of the sentences. Haven't newspapers some problems? So the main object of the topics is we have to put auxiliary verbs in the first of an interrogative sentences. Without auxiliary verbs, you can't write any interrogative sentences. Okay. reporters should report authentic news and views. Authentic means real. Which one is real? The reporter should report it. Okay. In this sentence, we have a should modal verb, and we have to make it an interrogative sentence. So, to make an interrogative sentence, we have to put auxiliaries in the first of the sentence. So this fact is clear that to make an interrogative sentence, we have to give the auxiliaries in the first of the sentence. Otherwise, it will not a correct interrogative sentences. Okay. Then we have come to affirmative to negative. Okay. Here are the three sentences. Kamal is an attentive student. We have to make it negative. When we have to make a sentence affirmative to negative, then we have to see about auxiliary verb. If we have no auxiliary verb, then we have to focus on main verb. As in the sentence we have auxiliaries, then we have to put negative word after the auxiliaries. So I can write Kamal is not, and the opposite word of attentive, inattentive. attentive student. Okay. In the second sentence, which is she is a studious girl. She is a studious girl. We have to make it also negative. As we have here our auxiliary verb is, then we can write she is not an studious girl. Here we have to know the main word opposite meanings, and we have to focus on verb. Okay. They are peaceful people. Peaceful. We have to know the opposite meaning of the word peaceful. So I can write now. They are not the opposite word of peaceful is quarrelsome. So I have to know about the opposite word of peaceful. Today this is all. You have to practice in your home about the sentences of assertive to interrogative, negative to affirmative. Okay, this is all for today. Allah Hafiz.